Okay, you can start up the car. There we are. I'll pop the lid. Let's get a little better noise. This. Here we go. So there's our noise problem. Alrighty.